Hey guys, what's going on? This is Divikant Haledi back with yet another video, and this time with an automobile accessory from a brand named Vovoso. You heard that right. Well, Vovoso is a company that majorly deals with automobile accessories, in which this air compressor is one of them. So we're quickly gonna let you know if this device is worth your hard-earned money or not. So without any further delay, let's quickly get started. Okay, starting off with the unboxing of this device. So this one comes in this box pack with the main unit and other accessories inside this carry bag. So here the carry bag is made up of high quality material, seems quite robust and handy. Further inside it, you'll get the paperwork such as warranty information guide, manual instructions, and a nice quality 10 feet long power cord which is removable, and some other nozzles to inflate other inflatables such as your bicycle tire, game balls such as volleyball, football, etc. And finally, you will get the device itself. Now talking about the design part of this device, here it's quite different and unique. On first look, it seems like a Bluetooth speaker or some retro radio set. Anyways, talking further about the design part, over at the upper front side, it has all useful buttons such as power button, LED torch on-off button, LED display along with pressure plus and minus button. We'll check in depth about these things in just a while. Over at the back side, it has the braided hose pipe sitting inside its specific spot. Here the device has got tiny rubber stand that avoids skidding when the air pump is active. And over at the left side of the device, it has the LED torch light or SOS light, which is useful during night time. So I have been using this more than a couple of months now, and it worked perfectly fine in my usage. To operate the device, it's pretty much similar to any other inflators. Turn on your ignition. Now put the power cord into 12-volt power socket, then you'll be able to see the display. Now as soon as you apply the air chuck valve onto your tire, you'll get the current tire pressure reading on its display. Now you can keep the pressure unit according to your usage, but in India we generally use PSI unit, so you can adjust the unit by pressing the R button. Now set the desired tire pressure by pressing the plus and minus button. Here in my case it's 35 psi, and after setting the desired tire pressure, press the power button. Now leave the device till it inflates the desired tire pressure, and it will automatically shut off after reaching the set pressure. So you don't have to worry about that. Now talking about the speed of inflation, well, this device can inflate this much wide 15-inch tire from 0 to 35 psi in just 4 minutes 13 seconds. Which is fairly good as compared to many other inflators in the market. And well, coming to the conclusion part of this device, so this device is very powerful as compared to many other inflators in the market. It can withstand under 150 psi, which generally other inflators has got 120 psi. Apart from that, its pressure readings are quite accurate and has got very low operating sound as well. Reason being is that it has got dual turbo motor which can withstand under higher pressure. All in all, I really like this device as far as my usage is concerned, and I can definitely recommend this device to anyone who is looking for a tire inflator for their vehicle. And well, this is pretty much it. So hit the like button if you like this video, and also subscribe to the channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram as well. This has been Divikant Haledi, and I'll see you super soon in the next one.